61A lecture number 33. Announcements. Homework 9, due Thursday. Scheme project, due next Tuesday, but checkpoint 1 is due today and checkpoint 2 is due on Friday. There will be a lecturer strike tomorrow and Thursday, and as a result, the regularly scheduled Zoom class won't exist. But there will still be a lecture playlist like this one, and that will have to suffice. You know, the lecturers who teach on this campus play a very important role and do many wonderful things. So I hope that you will respect their decision, and we can all hope that the contract negotiations that are going on get resolved quickly and favorably. It also might be the case that some of the teaching staff decide to participate in the strike themselves. We'll try to notify students when that happens, but it's not always possible that we can do it. So again, I would encourage you to respect whatever decisions your GSIs and tutors make, and let's all be polite to and supportive of each other. And the final announcement is that this lecture playlist is being posted late because now it's Tuesday, and I was supposed to post it on Monday, but I didn't get to making the videos until now. I think after this delay, we'll be back on track. Sorry for the delay, and thanks for your patience. Today's lecture explores another declarative programming language for the domain-specific problem of pattern matching in strings. But this time, we'll look at a technique that involves tree structures and recursion.